Hello and welcome to Ovaes Cuisine, my desi kitchen with a western touch. Today I'm sharing a recipe of a Vietnamese dish. It's a pasta cooked in tomato sauce with a caramelized chicken and different kind of marination. I hope you guys will love it. So for this recipe I'm using 1 pound of a boneless chicken, marinated with 1 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper and teaspoon of minced garlic. Add a tablespoon of honey and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then take a tablespoon of butter, scrape it around the chicken and bake it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Wait until it gets a little cool down and chop into small. Now the mixing part. So we need this chopped chicken, pasta sauce, some salt and cooked elbow macaroni. So let's go and mix it all together. Now heat 2 teaspoons of oil, add the cooked pasta and then all your baked chopped chicken. Now stir and mix it very properly and cook it like around for 3 to 4 minutes. So chicken and pasta will get mixed very well. Add your pasta sauce. I used the whole big can for this. Stir very well. Check the seasoning at this point. If you want, you can add a little salt. It's totally depends on your taste buds. And that's it. Dish out and serve. So very different kind of pasta, yet very near to our basic taste buds. My family loved it. I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. I got it from a Vietnamese food team. I will leave a link down below. And for the exact recipe and measurement, I will leave all the details in the description box. I hope you like this recipe and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram.